Hey friends, are you very good? I'm very good too. And you're going to see my favorite toy called magnetic blocks.
Wow.
Yeah, and we are going to learn about 3D shapes.
3D shapes?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we have some pictures. I'm going to show. I made lots of structures. I'm going to share it to you, okay?
சூப்பரா இருக்குமே சூப்பரா பார்க்கலாம்.
Yep. And at the end, you got a surprise.
Surprise.
Yeah, I'm making a huge structure with my other toys.
Wow.
Yeah, and with my magnet blocks too.
Okay.
Yeah, and let's get into the video now. Hey friends, there's 50 pieces.
Oh, 50 pieces இருக்கா? Okay.
Yeah, there's a base, and there's a square, and this is a big triangle, this is a small triangle, this is a small rectangle. Yep, this is plastic window pieces.
Okay.
This is vehicle.
Vehicle. Wow.
Yeah, and there's some window pieces.
Window pieces. Super.
Yep.
அப்புறம் magnets எல்லாம் காமிக்க வேணுமா?
Oh yeah, magnets. Look. So at the edges there's some magnets.
சரியா காமி? Magnets. Yes.
And you
தெரியுது.
could easily stick. Look.
ஆமா. Okay.
Yeah.
ஸோ இது வந்து 3 years plus கிட்ஸுக்கு உள்ளது. ஸோ பசங்க இதில் நல்லா விளையாண்டுட்டு இருப்பாங்க, நல்லா க்ரியேட்டிவிட்டி டெவலப் ஆகும் அவங்களுக்கு. ஸோ நல்லா இதில் ஷேப்ஸ் எல்லாம் கற்றுப்பாங்க, 2D ஷேப்ஸ், 3D ஷேப்ஸ், அது எப்படி பண்ணலாம், வெர்டிசஸ், எட்ஜஸ், இன்னும் கொஞ்ச நாள் போனால் ஆங்கிள்ஸ் கூட கற்றுப்பாங்க. ஸோ நல்ல க்ரியேட்டிவிட்டி, நல்ல டைம் பாஸ் ஆகும் பசங்களுக்கும், ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஏன்னா மேக்னெட்ஸ்னாலே அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். யா கவின், என்ன பண்ண போற?
Teach you. I'm going to learn. I know I'm going to learn about 3D shapes. I'm going to make 3D shapes out of 3D shapes.
அப்படியா 3D shapes லேர்ன் பண்ண போறோமா? ஓகே, என்ன 3D shapesலாம் லேர்ன் பண்ண போறோம்?
I'm going to tell you a funny thing. And that's me. That's me explaining the shapes.
Okay.
And this is a cube. And this is a sphere.
Okay.
This is a cuboid, and this a cube, and this is a cuboid. This cube got stretched up like a cuboid.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a cylinder, and this is a cone. A party hat or a unicorn song.
Interesting.
Yeah. So this cube. Now I'm going to make it here.
Okay.
You know this is not a cube. Now look, we're going to try and turn into a cube.
Hey.
Cube.
Yeah, a cube has 6 faces. Yeah, 4 and 1 on top and 1 on bottom. 6.
Next is cuboid. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4
Rectangles.
Now magic hand.
Okay.
Now I'm going to connect all of them. Bam, 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 boom. Now there is a cuboid.
Yeah, 4 rectangle sides.
Yep, and 1 on the top and 1 at the bottom.
Fantastic.
But it didn't break again. I did it. I'll smash it. Next is pyramid.
What, Kavin, you made a star?
It's not a star. Now it's magic. Ding, 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 ding. A pyramid.
Wow.
Looks like an Egypt.
Okay, so 4 triangle sides.
Yeah.
And the base is square. It's a pyramid.
It's a pyramid.
Is there mommy inside?
Next is Krazy.
என்ன Kavin? Plate சாப்பிட போறியா?
No, it's not a play. It's going to transform into a prison.
What?
It's going to transform into
How?
a prison. Like, ding, 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 ding.
ஆமா, prison வந்துருச்சு.
I think some prisoners inside of this. Get it? Prisoners.
So it has 3 rectangular faces
And a good three.
and triangle sides. Fantastic.
Prison.
The 3D shapes quickly.
Now, we don't have the sphere and cylinder, so we'll search for it in our different shapes. This is a cylinder,
Cylinder,
and this is a sphere,
sphere,
and this is a... Now, I'm going to make a massive house. Yeah, I'm going to make a massive house with the help of all these things. My cards and Jenga blocks along with my mom. I'm going to make the base and under there's a secret. These cards.
Hey!
Now I'm going to this part. This is the entrance. Yep. And that side is just the plain wall. It's just glass. Yeah, you can see through. Yeah.
Kavinma, inge edo or level irukku.
What?
What is this for? Yeah.
This is for the cars.
Oh, the parking. Basement parking.
Box. Yeah. And every car could go in there.
Oh. So what are you going to do now?
Now I'm going to put the steps.
Steps, ah?
Yeah, first you have to put the path, then you have to put. First you could do the steps first, then you have to make it much longer. It'll be much easier. Yeah. 3 yellow. Idea. he could see you.
Hello.
Now just move it back.
Okay, next.
Now, that's it.
Okay, we're going to fence.
Yeah, but you have to put pillars.
Lamborghini.
This is my cool Kavin's castle. Yeah. And that's a Ninja Turtle car. Do you know where I am?
Where are you, Kavin?
I am in my special car. A special car. And do you know where I am in? I am driving the car and this is my mom.
Oh, wow, cool.
And do you know where's my dad? My dad is here welcoming us.
Ah!
He will have. Yeah.
Cool.
And now I'm going to park the car now. Perfect.
Cool music ittiruki. In the back.
And I welcome you all to my castle, okay? I welcome all of you. Okay? Now my castle name is Kavin's Castle. That's it for Kavin's Krazy Korner.